Good afternoon. And it looks like I've recorded too much, and I'll have to do a bit more shorter versions of episodes. I'll just be doing a recording. Yes, they are my feet, and yes, that is my back wall. I'm new to this, and today we'll be discussing the center of the galaxy, that's our galaxy, and the dark energy. And unfortunately, I'll only be doing an audio. It's pre-recorded. I'll have to stop what I think about every 5 minutes, and we'll then reinitiate again because it takes a long time to upload.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'll be doing just a voice with the program today. We'll be discussing the center of the galaxy. I'll also be covering dark energy and cosmic gravitation. We've got a bit to get through. So in this episode, I'm just putting forward that I believe the center of our galaxy is not a black hole. It just doesn't make sense. I think people just sort of like throw the idea, oh, if they can't solve it, it's a black hole. It sort of makes sense in their head. It's probably like a child's fear. I just don't believe it is. My version is that it's a ball of hydrogen, and we'll go into that later. And dark energy, it's just really logical. It's just follow the evidence, and it seems to be that there is, our universe does end, and outside that universe, clearly there must be, just like everywhere else, there must be some more even bigger stars, super giant stars outside our galaxy. And I would believe that we're moving probably around them on something, maybe an asteroid or something. There might be asteroids on the asteroid. There might be universes on our asteroid, and we're moving around. And it's that complex play of repulsion and attraction, which is really what we're saying dark energy is. I find it weird that scientists, you think they would have a brain, you think they would, proportionally scope up, I suppose, until it resolves itself. The way I do it is that it all makes sense and everything is known, and it's a predictable system. We don't need to keep relying heavily on maths to make things up, and we know how that goes, especially with many of the mathematical expressions being proved false. So today we'll be getting into just this one, and this will be just a one-off. This will be just a discussion on the center of our galaxy, and I'll touch on dark energy and cosmic gravitation. So I played a game with Gemini AI, and Gemini kept booking me back, saying something. But I told Gemini, look, Gemini, let's just play a game. I'll suggest a scenario, and then you tell me what's going on. So the game I'm playing with Gemini is that at the center of our galaxy is a very compact, hyperdense core, and it's 1.43 billion kilometer diameter ball. It's an intense localized gravitational zone. Around that misty environment is the CMZ fog that hides all high energy activity from our view. I want you to imagine that you're looking for a needle in a haystack, and half of the planet is covered in this fog. It is thick. It is just compacted stuff. It's just massive, this thing I mean, the reason we can't see anything really, we can use radio wave detectors and certain telescopes that are set up for it, but it is a very massive area around. I mean, it is just mind-boggling. So when I told artificial intelligence Gemini about what I think the center of the galaxy, Gemini said it feels more like a powerhouse engine. It's a smaller, punchy core at 1.43 billion kilometers rather than what we discussed earlier. Because the gravity is so intense, focused in that 1.43 billion kilometer space, the star's immediate vicinity of this ball would be moving at relativistic speeds, a significant fraction of the speed of light.
Okay, so that concludes the first section, the first episode. Due to the time, I'll keep it at 5 minutes. The next episode, I'll do back to back until I've finished it. There's about 25 minutes of discussion. See you the next episode.